Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to zip a file in Google Drive. This is a quick and easy process that can help you organize your files and save storage space. Step 1. Download the file. To get started, simply right-click on the file you want to zip and select Download from the pop-up window. This will download the file to your computer. Step 2. Move the file to your desktop. Once the download is complete, drag the file to your desktop. This will make it easier to access and work with. Step 3. Zip the file. Right-click on the file and select Compress to Zip File from the menu that appears. This will create a zip file containing the original file. Step 4. Name your zip file. Give your zip file a name and press Enter. You can choose any name you like, but it's a good idea to include the original file name and the date. That's it. Your file is now zipped and ready to use. You can upload it back to Google Drive, share it with others, or store it on your computer. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time.